welcome to another story time with Winona Public Library. My name is Miss Tricia and I'm very excited to be with you all here today. I have a really fun story time for us today, but before we get started, I think we should say hello. Can you say hello with your toes? Wiggle those toes. I say it every time, but you can't see them, but I am wiggling them. Say hello with your knees. Wiggle those knees back and forth. Shake, shake, shake them. Good job. Say hello with your hands. Good job. Can you say hello with your head? You can add some shoulders and your body in it if you want to. It's more fun that way. And say hello to all of our friends. Hello, friends. Thanks again for joining for story time today. I know that we might not be in the same room with each other, but we are all in story time together today. This is a fun experience for all of us. And I might ask some questions or ask you to help me with some things as we read this book. And I want you to know that you can say it out loud to me on the video, or you can say it to your caregiver or your sibling or your friend or whoever you're watching this video with, so you can talk about the book as we're reading it. And this book today especially has some actions that I might need you guys to help me with. So maybe you can help me with some of the actions in this book. It is called Bunny Overboard by Claudia Rueda. Bunny Overboard, that sounds a little scary. I don't know. Do you think we're up for it? I think so too. Ahoy! It's all hands on deck. Would you like to sail away with me today? Should we sail away with the bunny? I think so too. I'm up for it. Let's get underway, but where's the wind? There's no wind in that sail. Maybe you could make some. Would you please blow into the sail? Can you blow? Blow, blow, blow. Oh, thank you. Look at all of that wind you guys blew into that sail. That's amazing. Now what? Maybe you can rock the book back and forth to make waves. I'll rock the book if you guys rock with me like this. Can you do that? Ready? Here we go. Rock, 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 rock. Let's see. Did we do anything? Woohoo! Can you rock a little bit more? All right, let's rock faster. Rock, 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 rock. Uh-oh, steady as she goes. I think we rocked a little bit too much. Bunny Overboard, quick, stop rocking. Uh-oh. Watch out. Kerplunk. Whew. Maybe we had better just stop here. I'll just grab my gear and we might spot something interesting. Is there already something interesting? What's going on? What is that? It's a seal jumping in the water and the bunny is missing it all. Say it with me. Ready, set, buns away. Was that what you were going to say? You knew? Oh man. What will we see? What sort of animals might you see underwater? You might see a whale or a shark or an octopus. Lots of fish, right? Maybe a dolphin? Let's see. Ooh, what is this odd rock? Why don't you touch it? Can you touch it? Interesting. Oh. That rock kind of looks like it has an eyeball. Oh, hello, octopus. Would you wipe the ink away so we can see again? Can you wipe that ink away? Good job. Oh, look, there's a friendly fish. Would you give it a pat? Can you pat, pat, pat the friendly fish? Let's see. What? Oh, no, whoops. Didn't mean to scare you, Mr. Blowfish. Whoops. Let's float on. What do you think we will see next? 7 seas. It's a shipwreck. Ooh, there's got to be lots of fun stuff on there, huh? I see someone. Who's there? I knock. I dare you to. Who's there? I see myself in there. It's a nice little mirror. Uh-oh, we startled the fish when we knocked. That's a lot of fish. Okay, let's go in. A shell? Would you tap it to see what's inside? Can you tap, tap, tap? Tap, tap, tap. Oh, it's a pearl. What a treasure we have found. I'm ready to be high and dry. Mr. Bunny is ready to get out of the water. I see the boat. All aboard. Anchors away. Would you help me blow wind into the sails one more time? Can you blow wind into the sails? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Think you did enough? Thank you! And let me know if you see any other animals on the way back. Do you see any animals? I see one. There's our seal friend. A seal? Where is it? Where is it? Right here. There you are. I am so glad we found each other. What a great day at sea. Now it's time to cool down with some carrot lemonade. You ever had carrot lemonade before? I haven't either. I've only had regular lemonade and pink lemonade before. But I suppose bunnies like carrots, right? What color are carrots? Generally orange, but they can also be purple too. Isn't that kind of cool? Have you ever had a purple carrot? No, me neither actually. I've never had purple carrot, but they look pretty cool. All right, we're gonna do an activity now, and we are going to see what things float and what things sink. Do you think you guys are gonna be good at this? All right, let's get to our activity. All right, we're back. I have a big tub of water with me now, and we are going to test out some things to see if they sink or if they float. And you guys are going to guess before I put them in. Let's start with this one because it's not in the bag. So, we have this first. This is a pumice stone. It's hard, but pretty light. Do you think it's going to sink or float? It floats! Is that what you guessed? You guys are too smart. Let's see. How about this little plastic fishy? Do you think this is going to sink or float? Fish swim. Let's see. Can this fish swim? He went right to the bottom, didn't he? This fish cannot swim or float. How about this? A popsicle stick. Do you think that's going to float or sink? Let's see. There we go. It floats. Even when I push it down a little bit, it comes back up. Let's see. If it gets really wet, does it come back up? It still comes back up. It's going to float. All right. How about this? This is a Q-tip. Do you think this is going to float or sink? Let's try. Ready? It's floating right now. Let's see if we get it really wet. Maybe we get the cotton wet. Let's see if it will sink. Oh, kind of a little bit. Let's see. If I push it all the way to the bottom. Nope, comes back up. It's a floater. All right, how about this? What's this? This is a small piece of sponge. Do you think a sponge is going to float or sink? Oop, I dropped it. I guess we'll find out. It's floating right now. Let's see if I push it and get it really wet. Do you think it's going to float or sink when it's really, really, really wet? Let's see. I'm going to let go. Watch the green. It floats. It came up very slowly, but it floats. All right, how about this? That's a rock. Do you think this rock's going to float or sink? Whoa, that one really sunk. All right, how about this? It's a plastic ping pong eyeball. Do you think it's going to float or sink? Doesn't sound very hard, does it? Sounds like it's hollow or empty inside. That one really floats. It even kind of bounced back up there. That's really cool. How about this? A pipe cleaner. Let's see. I'm going to move some of these things from the front. Do you think this pipe cleaner is going to sink or float? Let's see. Oh, it sinks. I actually would have guessed that it floated. Why do you think it sinks? Because the fuzzy fibers got so wet, it weighed it down and it sunk all the way down. All right, we have two left. How about this? My hands are getting all wet. What's this? It's a clothespin. Do you think it's going to float or sink? It's made of plastic. It's not a wooden one. Oh, that one sinks too. I actually thought that one was maybe going to float because it's plastic and it's really light. But let's try it again. There it goes. All right. Here's our last one. It's a bouncy ball. Whoa! Almost lost it. Do you think this is going to float or sink? Let's try it out. It's green. Watch the green. It floats. Even when I push it down, it floats right back up. That's pretty cool. Did you guys get a lot of those right? You did? You guys are so smart. All right. Well, I think it's time we have to go. Can you wave your elbows goodbye? Wave your fingers. Can you wave your chin? Can you wave your nose? Can you wave your lips? And wave goodbye like this. Thanks for joining for Storytime today. Be sure to watch our past Storytimes on winona.lib.mn.us and continue to tune in for our future Storytimes. Have some fun this afternoon, seeing if you can find things around your house that float or sink, and make guesses before you do it to see if you're right. Take a look at it to see if it's made of something hard, if it has holes in it, if it's light, if it's bouncy, and then test it to see if it floats or it sinks. I hope you had so much fun. I hope you continue to have fun with this activity today, and I will see you next time. Bye.